Hello, my precious angels. Welcome back to another quick and easy DIY. So, in this DIY, we're going to be making this really cute, colorful feathers mini skirt. I got these feathers from Joann's a while back ago, and I guess I'm gonna need some hot glue gun or scissors and a skirt or whatever you want to do with it. You can I can't talk. You can either make a dress or a skirt or whatever. I end up deciding to make a skirt because I had this really old leather skirt that was just in my closet. I was thinking about throwing it away, but I end up turning it into this cute feather skirt. So first thing first, all you're gonna do is just cut off a little piece of the feather trim, match it up to where you want it to start, where you want it to end. I'd put it a little bit around the back because I want to make sure when I turn you can still see the feathers at the side. So that's what I did. Just make sure everything is lines up and perfect. And the next step, which is the easiest step, just add on your hot glue and just paste it down on top of the skirts. And in 2.6 seconds, it's dry. So that's basically what I did. Ooh, another little thing I've learned is best if you start from the bottom and work your way up, because if you start from the top, then working your way down, then eventually all the feathers will start getting in the way. So it's best to just start at the bottom. So that is what I'm doing right here. Making sure it's nice and even and there's no extra glue seeping out from the side. Not the side, the top, because I was pressing down on top of it just to make sure that it was on there very properly, because I don't want it to be falling off or you can see the little glue or anything like that. I just wanted to make sure that it was on there properly. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And this is basically like the whole video, me just gluing on the feather trims. I try to find the same thing on Amazon or Walmart or any place else, but I could not. So this is not really like a feather, but I don't know how to describe this type of material. But I can't find anything similar to this, but there's some other stuff that could be used. So yeah. Just doing it a little bit at a time. Yep. Eventually, while I was doing it, I decided to just, why not just do a straight line across and then place the feather trim on top of it. So that would be way easier. Plus, I can see the distance between where I placed the last one and where I'm going to place the other one. So just give you an idea of how much room in between, because I didn't want to be able to see the skirt underneath it. So that is good. By the way, the feathers just get in the way, so I was like, forget it. It doesn't really matter. Just keep on gluing it on, even though there's feather on on top of the trim. There's no way that you can avoid it. You can be brushing it down, holding it down. It's still going to be in the way. And at the end, where you cut off the little trim at the sides, where you cut it, it doesn't matter where you cut it. Eventually, the feathers will come off. So at the end of it, at both ends, add on a lot of glue so that you don't get any extra feathers that's falling off. Like when you're wearing it or anything like that, you can move around with it, you can play with it and all that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Dun dun. Alright, let's enjoy this peace and quiet. I'm not going to play any music because I keep getting copyrighted. So, sorry. Let's just enjoy this peace and quiet. It's not going to be for long though. Just like a next minute or 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to say this last thing, then actually I'm going to go. Right where you guys see the zippers, I was thinking about just cutting in between where the zippers wasn't at and then just glue around it, but looking at it, I would not have enough feathers left over, so I just decided why not just glue on top of the zippers. That is a bad idea if it wasn't on there properly, so you have to use a lot of glue. Plus these zippers don't work, they're not really pockets, they're just for design. So yeah, or if you are fancy you can just remove it, but I wasn't doing all of that. I just decided to just leave it and then just go over it. Even though you see the little circle thing on top of the zipper, it wasn't bothering me or anything. I just went over it. Eventually you guys are gonna see I lift it up, glue on the little feather trim, and then place it back down, and then glue the feather trim on top of it and then on top of it. So in the end you don't actually see it. Yeah, that's it. That's it, that's it, that's it. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. So this is what I was talking about, gluing a little bit extra around the back so that when you are moving around or anything like that, then the sides do look perfect. It's just like you have a little room, a little blackness at the back. A little blackness. Okay, so this is the end of the video. This is how the skirt looks. I paired it with these clear heels that I got from AliExpress and this top that I made, and this is how it looks. I was wondering how to pair it. I didn't have any white top or anything like pink or anything like that, so I think it looks pretty good. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about the skirt. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next DIY. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more easy DIYs. Bye bye. Mwah.